This is one of my kids' favorite sandwiches, so come pack school lunch with me. I made this spicy garlicky chicken salad yesterday, and it's honestly one of the perfect meal preps because it's good in your fridge for about 3 days. It makes incredible sandwiches for lunch or a quick dinner or snack. And I did post the recipe for this yesterday, so if you are interested, just check the video before this. So for my daughter, I am making this an Uncrustable because otherwise it's too big of a sandwich for her. And something about taking the crusts off makes her 10 times more likely to finish the whole thing. And I honestly love this little sandwich cutter tool that I'm using. I got it from the TikTok shop last year, and since then I've used this hundreds of times. It's so high quality, honestly. It makes the perfect little Uncrustables. Look at how cute that is. Time to assemble the lunch boxes. I'm adding in the sandwiches. I'm also gonna throw in some cucumber and apple slices, and of course their favorite granola bars for a snack. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, please like and follow for more.